Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ruby and today I will share with you how to get this green halo eye makeup look step by step. I will show you how easy and quickly you can get this look. But before we start our channel, please subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is right below my video. Please press the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for my latest video. Now let's not waste time and let's get started. First, I will conceal my eyes. So I'm taking a KRYLON concealer in shade 01. It's an ivory shade and it's a cream base. So we are concealing our eyes to hide our pigmentation marks, and also our eyeshadow look will pop out. So once I'm done concealing my eyes, I will be dusting out with a KRYLON translucent powder in ivory shade. So I am taking this PAC blending brush and I am just dusting my concealer off so there will be no crease. So now I'm taking PAC eyeshadow palette and I'm picking up the black color, and with the help of my black blending brush I will be applying it on my outer V area as well as my inner V area. As you can see, I'm just applying it lightly, very light-handedly you have to do it, and I'm creating a link between those two. So very softly you have to do, you have to leave the center lid, you don't have to put any colors on the center lid. Now I'm adding this brown color from PAC eyeshadow palette and I will be using as my transition area. So with the same brush from the other side I'm using this brush and I'm picking up the brown color and I'm blending it on my transition area softly and steadily. So I'm keeping this video in a fast way so I will not waste your precious time and you will learn also. So now on that center area I will be applying a concealer. I'm just cleaning off that area with a concealer, KRYLON concealer with a small smudging brush, and I'm picking up this green metallic shade from PAC eyeshadow palette. As you can see, with a flat blending brush I'm picking up the product, the green metallic product, and I'm inserting on my middle area. So you can use any color. If your dress is like purple or red, you can use that color as well. So with the same color I'm picking up the black color and I'm just smoking out the line which has been created between the black and the green. Small blending brush I'm using over here and I'm just smoking out the line. And now I'm using this APK liner and I will be applying it on my upper lash line, and I'm giving a very thin eyeliner. You can create dramatic also. If you want a big thin wing line, you can create that as well. So I'm just giving a thin eyeliner, and now I'm using a Maybelline kohl for my waterline area. So I'll be applying this black color kohl on my waterline area. And now with the smudging brush I'm just smoking out my kohl which I have put, and now I'm picking up the same green color and I'll be applying it on my lower lash line. Now I'm picking up this beautiful Euro Paris false eyelashes, and with the eyelashes glue I'm applying it on my false. So now you can see I have done one of my eyes and I'll come back with my other eye. So as you can see I have done both of my eyes and it's a beautiful halo eye makeup. It gives a very good appearance. The eyes look very broad and bright. You can do it on yourself, you can do it on your client, and do comment me below how you like this look, and give a thumbs up if you like my video, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching me. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye.